we got an off-topic conversation today, but I think it'll be great to have a little more fun. Well, not just isn't fun, but it's some more relatable topics. People might not be able to understand the sports topics and stuff, but we can all come together and talk about video games.
Okay.
We can all talk about video games. So, the video game we have chosen today is da-na-na, da-na-na. Da-na-na, da-na-na.
Okay.
Da-na-na, da-na-na.
For shit show.
Now, this list will be based off of how fun and enjoyable the game was to play. Not the most realistic, not the best graphics. No, most fun games. So, I think
number one.
I think it's fair that we move these games down here because we did not play them.
Didn't play them. And they also look like on Minecraft.
Hey, Khalil, go ahead and slide ahead. Bring slide Khalil up in here, Mace.
Shout out Khalil, you hear me? Slide in the Discord.
Slide in the Discord, my boy. You know we got that.
Point Discord if any y'all want to join up. EV.
Get the lore Madden popping. Get the lore Madden popping. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't played Madden 02.
The first Madden I played was 04. And
Yeah,
I didn't play that like from when it came out. I just played it later, like a few years later.
I didn't play 03 either. Didn't play 2000.
Who's on 03? Mel, John Madden.
03 is Marshall Fault. Right there.
Interesting.
This was the first one I actually remember like playing. Like I used to come home and play it, but I didn't play 02. I played 06. I played 07. I didn't play 01.
Cool. Let me know when you're in the Discord. Yeah, Madden 25. I had the Barry cover. That was my shit.
Yeah, I had the Barry cover too. Yeah, I think we can go ahead and start. We can wait for Khalil to get up in here. But yeah, we only doing these two rows because all the other ones we didn't play.
Fair.
Best Maddens of all time. Why is it so many? It's so many tiers.
We can edit them if anything. If it's too many.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I feel like we should edit them. We should just do S, A, B, C. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I say A, B, C, and then trash. Or A, B, C, D, trash. I say A, B, C, and trash. Garbage.
Alright, so all these get cleared out. Khalil said give him 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
On some tunes.
Guess what I was listening to earlier?
What you listening to this shit?
Close the thing.
I did. You close it, nigga.
What you know about this?
Change great from bottom to top. Nice.
What you know about this? Do you know anything about this?
Bro got the nine, I got the photos. Niggas will keep talking, they gon' show us. Pull up in the rocks and cut his pole up. Tell her been right up, do the toe touch. If I tear through my doors, I left him like show enough. I put that beat on and it's not in load us. I see my ops again, I got a load up. I got a demon in the engine, I did a donut. Oh no, 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 not you again. Baby girl, yeah, you a 10. On the radio, you a 10. But you cannot pay your rent. Got a rabbit on my skin. Sing to her like what's the man. Shot her, I give it to my friend. Then I proceed to her twin. Get some Uzi, not a Mac, I got no pen. Bet you couldn't tell the difference to that girl legit. Gucci pants come out the Gucci store, come with a hem. My pants they so tight, don't know if they for her or him. Niggas want my style, I got some swag that you can lend. Balenciaga with the pride, it's the rock, Philip Lim, Louis.
This the last good Uzi, bro. The last good
I ain't
Uzi,
gonna
bro.
lie, bro. I used to bump that song crazy.
It's the last good Uzi, bro.
Mr. Man.
It's the last good Uzi, bro.
Yeah.
Khalil know about that. Khalil was a Uzi enthusiast.
Oh, that's what came here.
Great bumps.
Great bumps. Great bumps. Great bumps. All right,
A lot of fun.
so. All right, man. So, I think we're gonna start with the more recent ones first.
You know S tier.
What's S tier 21?
Ain't too much to be said, bro.
21
What's
S tier.
understood don't need to be explained, bro.
21 S tier. I think we can all agree.
Khalil, you know what I'm putting up there.
I think 20 gotta be S tier too.
20 is number one S tier, bro.
20 gotta be S tier.
is S tier?
You don't think 20 is
Me
S tier?
No, 21?
Oh, I'm saying.
I'll throw that in. I'll throw that in. I think it was because it was that was the first year I really
Isn't that when they
played,
started
for
buffing
real,
escape
for real.
artists?
No, that's when Escape Artist got good. Well, Escape Artist was great in 20, but it was still good in 21. They started buffing us. They buffed Escape Artist in 22.
Yeah, that's when I stopped playing that shit. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So this was the most this could also go down here though.
It was for sure.
Because but that could also bro, Eric Dickerson every other game
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. What made the game good, I feel like compared to today, right? Like Madden 23 is ruined. Like AKA's ruined Madden 23. For sure. But the thing about it was there were so much things you could do to combat in Madden 23 there's nothing you could do. There's nothing you could do.
23?
In 23.
Yes, it is.
Bro, no, bro.
Bro, you got secure tacklers.
Dude,
you got
when I played against Demarius Thomas with fucking go deep with double me, he literally just kept chucking streaks. I even double teamed the nigga and put Javon Curse 6'4" on him, bro, with the corner, still catching.
But it's not more open. So you think
and Madden 20 had less OP shit. It was a few OP players.
That's Moss, Dickerson.
It was Moss.
Come on, bro.
It was Moss and Dickerson.
Julius Peppers got a sack every play.
He was not OP.
Don't get me started on the out routes, bro. Don't get me started on the out routes.
Bro.
That is, I was an out route merchant. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you still.
I was out route merchant. No, you can ask Khalil. I was for sure. Cause niggas was spamming cover 3 and cover 4. I was for sure out route merchant. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro.
Nah, but that PA Reed came in clutch though.
Absolutely.
20 is so much nasty stuff in 20.
Okay, I feel like it's first
20,
of all,
21, it was no nasty stuff.
Right, that's why the game is boring.
I understand that. That's why I'm saying 20 could go in S tier or it could be controller slamming. That's why I'm saying. Because, bro,
but 20 was pure arcade mode all the time, though.
20, it was. That's what made it fun. But at the same time, it could. So it's a balance.
But at the same time, and that's another thing. Bro, Madden 20 didn't have everybody got abilities. You had 3 OP niggas on each side.
Yeah, for sure. But the people.
Madden 23, the whole fucking team is OP. How are you gonna score?
That's what I'm saying. So I ain't gonna lie, Madden 23. I don't think Madden 23 is even on this list. I think it's too outdated. But I think it could definitely go in. I don't think Madden 23 is
I think
bad,
Madden 23 is B. B or C.
I think it could be controller slamming, bro.
Nah.
Bro, imagine winning the coin toss, and your kickoff team is on the field, and you see 5 niggas, orange glowing off the rip.
That is fair. That is a fair point.
And then you cannot do anything about. You can get as many secure tacklers as you want.
Or you can do a slide, bro.
As you want. All you can do is hope they get close to.
You see them 5 avalanches, you just try to slide, bro.
Nah, that's a crazy. What's this shit called? X Factor.
Yeah,
That's a crazy.
It's nasty,
Like,
bro. Niggas start the game with it like kickoff, running the ball.
Freight train. Fucking yeah, but two in it also. I think it could go C because you don't get it. Well, most of them you don't get keep them the whole game. The only one that keeps it the whole game that I know of is fucking Quad Father. But
yeah, somehow you can TF that nigga 8 times in a row. He's still glowing red. I don't.
Yeah, if you got persistent on with freight trains, and you're set, buddy. You can run the ball every play. But yeah, Madden 10, bro. Niggas know about Madden 10. Madden 10 was fire, bro. I don't know.
Shit on Wii was elite,
bro. Madden 10 was fire, bro.
You gotta tell me the covers. I don't know the number. Oh, with Palomalu versus yeah. That's A.
PSP.
I would say that's A.
This.
I would go.
I say it's a higher A.
I'll go for that.
Yeah,
I'll go for that.
I think it could be. I think it's very between. All right.
For me personally, Madden 11 is S tier. That's me personally, though.
Oh my God.
Others may disagree. Others may disagree.
Oh, come on, bro.
Others may disagree, but I think that's S tier, bro.
Is it over 10 though?
I feel like it's S tier, bro.
Way ahead of his time. Gameplay.
11 is fire.
So we're not going S. Are we not going S?
No.
How's it not S?
That's 2-1, bro. I'm going S. I'm not gonna lie.
What flaw does Madden 11 got?
None. They had pigs.
That's the thing, though.
And that's when they started introducing the new shit. Like, I forgot what it was, but it was some, like, new technology at the time. Like, Drew Brees, bro. The graphics, bro.
They introduced franchise, bro. Like, the new, like, franchise.
They had the training. The training games was mad fun. Yeah, bro.
With the bags.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The running back one, yeah, bro.
Oklahoma drill. Oh my God.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
For sure.
Gotta be S, bro.
Yes.
I'll go.
Yes.
I'll go.
Yes.
I can't
I can go for that. I can go for that.
Really?
Right over that 20.
I can go for that.
No way.
It might be. It may be the nostalgia, but I can go for that.
I think it's a nostalgia.
I'm not.
I'm not mad.
They think Madden 20 was nostalgia, because that shit will make you rage, bro. That's nostalgia.
But it was balanced bullshit.
I've had plenty of 4 a.m. nights raging. I'm not gonna lie. I've had plenty of on not even in the game, on challenges, bro. Them challenges was hard, my nigga. I'm not gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie.
Them challenges was hard, bro.
This game sucks.
Oh yeah, it's not even controller slamming. It was just
it's
utter garbage.
Like this is terrible. Like it's not even
why.
controller slamming. It's just garbage. Like I
don't know why they developed that game.
I wasn't a fan.
Double tap R2 to sprint.
Yeah, that game is pretty bad.
I wasn't a fan. I wasn't a fan.
I don't know if niggas was around for this.
No, I was there.
This?
I'm
Bro,
going A though. I'm going A though.
Bro,
S.
this is when over 21, bro.
Bro, we're missing it. We're missing a big S tier, bro. We're missing a big one.
Bro,
we're missing a big S tier, bro.
Bro, listen, this is what pass leading was elite, bro. Like, bro, you could put anybody on a fade, right? Pass leading inside, it's a catch every time, bro. Now, bro, pass leading, you might not even get that.
Pass leading is actually trash. It's actually bad.
It's barely bad. Like,
it's really impossible.
Literally, this year you could control where the ball went. Like, you could put the ball on the southwest corner of the fucking sideline. That bitch was getting there. You could get like, bro, oh my. 13 is so fire, bro. 13 was like the one I really started taking Maddens serious.
Yeah.
25. Let's talk about 20.
That's gotta be. I'm about to say, bro, and that's over 20. It's over 20. It's over 20.
Is it over 11 though? This is when next gen came, and I ain't gonna lie, man. 25 next gen was trash.
It was trash. No, we're not. No, we're doing the Barry. No, drop that one. Do the Barry Sanders one.
Okay, do the Barry Sanders one.
It's on the second row, left second row.
Alright, I see it.
Yeah, the one with AP was trash. That was garbage.
Yeah,
but
the one with AP was definitely the next.
When it was still old gen. Khalil, why are you taking 11? Why are you taking 11?
Bruh, I'm telling you, that's literally the foundation of having fun in Madden.
It is.
Having fun in Madden, bruh. Literally the foundation.
It is.
It is.
It really is the godfather of what we see today.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bruh.
It is.
You made your Madden 11, you were trash. You was trash.
Oh, my, bro.
Yeah, bro.
That 11, bro. It's
bro,
like,
I used to play that game religiously, bro. Yeah.
11, I would come home.
I would play that shit religiously, bro.
I would rush home to the house to play offline, bro. Do you know how fun that game is?
I'm saying, bro, Madden offline sucks now, bro. It's trash.
Hey,
bro, niggas was not playing online, bro. It was not.
I haven't pressed play now all year, bro. I have not pressed play now all year.
Khalil, did you play online?
I play online sometimes.
Bro, I did not. I can't remember one time playing online, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I played like 6 head-to-head games online.
Bro, I can barely remember playing online, bro.
This is, bro, and keep it book. This is really when niggas, like, you would invite niggas over to the house to come play Madden.
Yeah.
Like, bro, now I'm not inviting niggas over because I only play months. I'm not playing play now.
Yeah.
Like, bro, that's prime Madden.
I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it.
12 followed up too. 12 didn't live up to 11, but
Peyton Hillis, yeah, I put S though. Bottom of S.
12 was fire.
I say bottom of S.
I feel like it's underrated because
it's very underrated. It's very underrated because of the cover. Peyton Hillis was tough for 1 year, and then
I'm not gonna lie. Are we putting 12 over 21?
Over 21?
I wouldn't be mad at either or.
I'm not mad. I'm not putting over 13 though.
Hell 10. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Yeah.
If I'm going me personally, I'm putting 13 over 10. That's just me though. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not mad at that either.
That's just me.
Is that what we doing?
I allow it.
I played 10.
Mad at that.
It could be I played 10, but I used to play at my friend. I mean, I went over there every like weekend, but at my cousin's house, so it wasn't my game. 13 was my game, so I don't really know.
Bro, literally, this is how you know how much Madden changed, bro. In Madden 10, I literally used to log on, run single back, bunch ace, halfback, quick toss every play and score. Now I do not call it run play at all.
And that was, bro. This is real stick. This is the start of real stick.
Because you could barely move.
This is the start of real stick. And that's when hit sticking was really fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The grind, the screens, the shaking shit.
No, 25 was prime hit sticking years. 25 was definitely prime.
And then they used to do the dances after. Yeah.
Yes. 10 was the fumble recovery shit. I think. when you used to have to spam the buttons. But yeah, that's definitely prime Madden.
I'm not mad at
that. Okay.
How you feel about 09?
09. I don't remember much
really
from 09.
Any recollection?
Yeah, I'm gonna skip out on 09. I remember playing it, but I don't really remember like.
I played it. I wasn't a huge fan for what I remember.
Yeah. I think I played 07 and 06 on the PS2.
Never played 06. I did do 07. Never played 06.
I played 08, 06, and no, I played 06 some, but I didn't like. I don't think I owned it. I think, like you said, I went to somebody else's house and played it. 08, I played on the PS2.
Okay, I got one. How you feel about 16? How you feel about 16? Odell, the start of the aggressive catch.
Yes.
Bro, that you want to talk about rage? You want to talk about rage? Nah, you want to talk about rage, bro? Like the game was so trash. It was so trash. It was so trash,
bro.
But you gotta put it. You gotta put an S. It was so trash, but you gotta put an S.
Over 20?
No, I can't go over 20.
I was about to say.
I can't go over 20.
You said 16 or 16? Yeah. Yeah. I don't think. Do we think it's better than 13? I ain't gonna lie. 13 might have to go S, bro.
I think it's better than 13.
You think it's better than 13?
Hot take? Nah, I can't go.
I don't think it's better than 13, bro.
I can't go with that. I can't go.
I don't think it's better than 13, bro.
I'm really thinking back on the memories, though, bro. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough.
13, bro.
You put a ball in the air live, say goodbye.
That's tough.
Say goodbye.
That was definitely prime rocket catching.
That's
All you
tough.
needed was a triangle button in the drain. You win in the
The
game.
franchise was. I'm just thinking back to being. I was on the Vikings. Kyle Rudolph was my teammate. Madden 25. Kyle Rudolph was my teammate, bro. And I remember I used to spam tight end attack. I used to spam when I couldn't run. I used to spam tight end attack to Kyle Rudolph, bro. I just had a flashback. Like I don't even remember who the quarterback was. Who was the Vikings quarterback back then? It was some no name. Huh?
Ace Keenum? Might be Teddy.
Was it Teddy? In 16, it might have been Teddy. I think it was Teddy in 16 because I think that's why I played.
Madden 25 was what year?
16 was after 25, right?
Yes.
16 was after 20. Yeah, because 25 was supposed to be 14. Yeah, and I remember. I remember 25 and AP, and AP was OP as fucking 25.
I think it was Teddy. It was Teddy Bridgewater. Yeah. I remember I put AP on the bench for sure because I was running back. Yeah.
I was about to say. Yeah. Okay.
Damn,
Okay.
shout out Madden 13 though, bro.
Yeah,
Elite
Madden
games.
13 was
Elite
the
games. 17, 18.
17. I'm gonna say A tier. A tier.
17 is kind of meh.
I did enjoy 18.
18.
Me personally.
I mean, I did enjoy 17.
Me personally, I'm putting that 18.
Nah. I personally can't go Madden for Madden because it was always weird. I would take a break from Madden. Like 22, I didn't play Madden. I played Madden, but I didn't play Madden. You know what I'm saying? 21, I played Madden. 23, I played Madden. 20, I didn't play Madden, but I played Madden. 19, I turned that off after the first month. 18, I don't really remember. 17 was the year. 17 was the year. 16 was a year. 25 was a year. 15 was a year. Yeah,
I go back and look on YouTube, so I can really remember these games, like.
Bro, and
it's had good money.
I feel like yeah.
Like they definitely nerfed the aggressive catch. They nerfed that shit. So like it would be like a 50-50. You could still swerve in that game. That shit was beautiful.
Bro, you can't even swerve for real no more. Like, you can swerve, but it ain't the same. Like, bro, 13, I think, bro. 13 is so. I think 13 is prime swerving, bro. 13, you could literally swerve all the way out here, come back, and catch that bitch and keep it, bro.
I'm looking back at the game. Yeah.
Who's y'all go-to YouTuber back then?
QJB.
iMaverick.
Link. What is his name? London Bridges?
Wait, go to Madden YouTuber or just YouTuber in general?
No, like go to Madden YouTuber back then.
Yeah, I would say probably QJB.
No, I wasn't. I was an iMaverick guy, Madden Mastermind guy.
I was an iMaverick guy for sure.
I did like iMaverick, but QJB was more entertaining.
Y'all gotta go back and watch iMaverick at 13 and 25. That's when he was cussing and all that before he got reformed.
That's also when Trent was trash at Madden, bro. So it's like,
yeah, he was, bro. But Madden, I think it was 12 was really when he was like 12. Bro, 12 was when he had the side cam and he would stand up and start cussing at the TV and shit, bro. I used to master. He used to call himself a masturbator. I didn't know what it meant. I got in trouble for saying that shit one time. Like, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
No, that got it.
I was like, we was in Walmart, just me and my mom and my dad, and I was watching the video. I was like, masturbator. They was like, what the fuck is you talking about? What is you talking about?
No, that got it.
But yeah.
I'm definitely putting 17 over 18.
17 over 18. No.
Me personally, it's going over 16. Me personally, that's just me.
17 or 18?
18. 18 going over 16.
18 going over 16. I'm not mad at that. It was actually balanced back then too, because you could run and pass.
And then they had abilities, but like it wasn't like Madden 20. It would be like, like a corner would have footsteps, or like you could have playmaker, or hot hands, which basically like pick artists.
Yeah.
Good game, bro. That had to be like the Madden I played the most, besides Madden 20, because we didn't have nothing else to do.
I did, yeah. I'm honestly not mad at either one.
Bro, I spent all my time playing. I played 20. I played mostly play now. On 20. I didn't have my own.
You didn't play Mud? Damn.
I didn't have my own Mud team.
Bro, that's back when niggas actually grinded for coins. Niggas was not buying coins.
Bro, you didn't have to go outside. Y'all was playing Madden 20 during COVID. I was playing 2K 20 during COVID.
I played both.
I did both.
Yeah, I didn't balance it out. I had like the most hours on a game I've ever had on 2K 20.
Yeah, that's crazy. I think my most hours is probably 17.
17 hours?
I mean, no. Yeah, 2K? Yeah.
17 hours on 2K?
No, like NBA 2K17, I had the most hours played of all my 2Ks.
Yeah, I think I got like on 20. I think on 21 I got some credit. On that, on 2K20, I think I got like 70 some hours.
Yeah, 21 is crazy.
But to my credit, I did used to leave my game when I left the house. Fair. But yeah, these are great games, bro.
Great games.
22, I ain't gonna lie.
Definitely got to do a 2K for sure.
For sure, 2K. Oh my lord, 2K.
Our niggas COD fans.
I don't play COD.
I stopped at BO3, so I can't
I stopped at MW3. That was
okay. So what is y'all favorite COD? I feel there's only one right answer, but everybody, you know what I mean.
What you gonna say? Black Ops 2?
Got to, bro. Got to.
The only one I played was Modern Warfare 3, so I can't really.
Me personally, I enjoyed the first Black Ops more than Black Ops 2. But Black 2 was tough.
I wasn't allowed to play those games. Y'all thugs were.
Yeah, no, I wasn't either. Khalil, remember I got my shit. I got Black Ops 1 when Black Ops 2 came out. I was late.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to drop a gem on y'all. So I had came back from visiting
on
my
PS3
down here. I came back from visiting my family down here in Wilmington, and one of my cousins had a GTA, and I asked him could I hold it, so he let me hold it. I go back home to my mom. And I'm playing GTA. I know how she feel about GTA and all that. So every time she about to pop in my room, I go to the home screen. Then one time I left the house. I came back and my GTA is out because this one had a disc. My GTA is outside of my thing on top of my
Yeah.
So she ejected my GTA and put it on top of my Xbox, and we had to have a talking to after.
Yeah.
Eject is crazy.
Yeah. My mom was not feeling GTA, bro.
No, bro. I couldn't. Neither my mom or my dad. So I couldn't play GTA. Couldn't. No, and I just, and because of that, I still don't play those games like that. Like, I play GTA, but I don't play GTA like how everybody else was. Like, I
definitely started later than most.
Yeah, I wasn't allowed to do those things.
My mom was not into the violent games. I was doing straight Wii Sports for sure.
Yeah. Are you gonna do the same thing for your kids?
I don't know because it really don't make a difference. I don't think
it's a different world. It's a different world now.
It is a different world, bro. So I don't know. I probably will.
Like,
but I think they're gonna find access to it anyway.
Yeah, it's easy to access guns.
It's easier to access shit.
Yeah, it's a different world now. So
like you had to go through troubles to really go behind your parents' back. Like now, bro, it's easy. It don't take no time. So I don't know. It's probably not even worth it.
You can delete your history.
Yeah.
All that.
Yeah. I was definitely a history deleter, but we're not even gonna get into that.
Yeah, let's not, please.
I was definitely a school computer history deleter, but we're not even gonna get into that.
Not trying to get banned.
Anyway.
TOS.
Anyway.
Bro, did you hear Mace drop the word? Like, what's up with him? Like,
it's the truth.
Like,
it's the truth.
I mean, if they ban y'all, then they racist. Because
I wouldn't. I think I can't speak too much on that. I don't know.
Yo, Skurra! This nigga Skurra.
We don't have the shit.
I mean, a white man literally live streamed his killing spree, bro. So the niggas get banned off. Niggas get banned off that shit.
Yeah.
Nigga lagging.
Commonizer nigga. How you feel about 2004?
Who was on the cover?
That was Vic.
That was OP.
That was when Vic was OP.
My fault.
I played after the fact.
You talking about 04?
Yeah, I played 4 after the fact. I didn't play when it first came out. So.
Yeah, I played 04 a little bit.
I'm not mad.
How we feel about 15?
I wasn't a fan.
I wasn't really a fan either. Yeah, C was average.
I wasn't a fan.
It was average.
Terrible matchmaking, terrible franchise, terrible gameplay, pass mechanics were horrid.
I wasn't a fan.
Yeah, I like that they implicate now I like the tiers they put in for leave my camera keep freezing. This shit is about to come off.
Just turn it off. This bot.
I'm not turning this shit back on. Alright. Like I was saying, I wasn't really a fan of 15. I like how they implemented the better matchmaking, like you were saying, Khalil, because you used to be able to get matched up with the best player in the world, and you played 3 games. Yeah. 22. I think 22 was a very bad game.
I say C or controller slamming.
Yeah, I don't think it's controller slamming because I think that 19 is a tier of his own, bro.
I would say C. I would say C.
Yeah, I think we gotta go bottom C. Like if I could put it all the way down here, damn near in controller slamming, I would.
Bottom C. It wasn't a good game. It just simply wasn't a good game. Madden 25, C. The other Madden, the next gen 25, C. It was trash.
Yeah, it wasn't. It's better than 22. Better than 22. I think it's better. I think it's better than 15. Do we agree on that? Do we agree that it's better than 15?
Yeah,
better than 15?
Madden 25
next gen 25.
They're like right there. So.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan either.
We can leave it like that. 21 next gen, garbage.
Yeah, horrific.
Garbage.
That's controller slamming, bro. That was bad.
Controller slamming?
Yeah, because that's when niggas was spamming the high ball. Yeah, bro.
Spamming the high ball.
No.
You could stop the play and just throw a streak up, no matter who is faster than who.
Yeah, and corner routes. Bad games. Bad game.
Bad development.
That was a bad game. Very bad game. Every time they go next gen, the first next gen game is trash.
Sure. Are we doing any of these?
Yeah, I didn't really play them like that. I can't really give a fair opinion. I did play 04. I know a lot of people find 04 S tier, but I didn't play it personally.
Now 08.
I played a little bit.
I did not play 08 on the PS2 or the PS3, but I played that bitch on the PSP, my nigga, and that shit was fire. I played 08, 09, 10, 11, and 12 on the PSP, and it was all fire.
Not gonna lie, all PSP games are just fire, to be honest. That's I heard they're working on making like a newer version. Yeah, bro, they need to, because that shit, like, everything on there was fire, to be honest.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, bruh. I need a hand clap for this, nigga. I just did the most stressful thing a college student ever did. My dad did the FAFSA with no complaints today, bruh. Oh my gosh, bruh. Oh my gosh, bruh. Me and him literally almost brawled over this last year, bruh.
That is a W.
Bro. My Lord.
I can think of somebody else that's accomplished that. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro. But I think it is easier now, because once you put it in there, all you gotta do is hit renew, unless they make more money.
I didn't know you could do
that. But yeah, you don't have to make a new thing every year. But yeah, I think we covered all the basic. I think this is a great list, great nostalgia, great, just great times, great life. Life was great.
For sure.
Life. I think life was the greatest.
Life was simpler.
Life was way simpler when these 3 games were out. It wasn't really simple when this was out, but it eased your mind.
I would say 11. I would say 10 to 18. Life was simple.
Good time.
Yeah.
10 to 18. Yeah. Life was simple. Life was really great.
Even right here. Even right here was great.
No, that was jail. That was jail time. That was jail time.
Yeah, I wouldn't say. Was it jail time?
That was jail time. Cause I remember I brought my PlayStation. I had it on there. That was jail time.
Oh, you talking about? Oh, I thought you was talking about like COVID. But you was talking about when you was actually.
Thinking back on it, I'll low-key put 21 over 12, but I'm gonna leave it there.
Yeah, I'm not mad at that either. I probably would too, because I played more, but I ain't gonna lie, I played all them games up here. I played these. The least one I played was probably 18.
The least one I played of these was 12.
I'd say the least was 19. For sure.
But okay, out of S and A, what's the least you played?
Probably 10. I'd say 10.
For sure. You missed out.
Yeah, that was a great game. That was a great game.
That was I do remember the training drills on the Wii. That's my nostalgia.
Yes, bro. The Wii,
I played on the Xbox. I played on my cousin's 360.
I'm saying, man, you pop a lot of shit, man, you know what I'm saying? Kick a lot of shit, man, kick a lot of drip, look out. Can't let these fuck nigga murder me. Not living Porsche's emergency.